magbayad. Are you having a hard time doing your schoolwork? Don't give up. You can do it. Fighting! Dito sa Bicol University, lahat tayo ay talented at magagaling. We should be proud of ourselves and keep moving.
In this video, we'll share a lot of stories and experiences as an IT student here in Bicol University.
Mekus Niano.
For this adventure, we'll start in 3, 2, 1.
Did you know that Bicol University is the premier state university in Bicol region, founded on June 21, 1969 through the passage of RA 5521?
Currently, Dr. Babyboy Benjamin Dinebros III is the newly SUC president of Bicol University. It promotes scholarship, leadership, character, and service as its core values. As a world-class university, their mission is to give professional and technical training and provide advanced and specialized instruction in literature, philosophy, the sciences and arts, besides providing for the promotion of scientific and technological researches. And a university for humanity characterized by productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character for sustainable societies as their vision. Currently, Bicol University has risen to SUC Level 4 status, where BU is one of the finalists for Global Citizenship Award.
Welcome to the home of scientistas.
The College of Science, whose specialization is in the fields of information technology, natural sciences, both physical and biological. It was established on September 10, 2004, through Board Resolution number 75, Series of 2004. And Mrs. Jocelyn E. Serrano is currently the Dean of the College of Science. College of Science Department offers the following programs: the BS Biology, BS Chemistry, BS Computer Science, BS Meteorology, and Bachelor of Science in Information Technology is one of those programs.
Here is our campus building where the programmers are born.
Maraming nagsasabi na kami raw ay mga nerd, lutang at mga mahirap intindihin. But guess what? We are the future Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and Steve Jobs that will transform the world. Information technology or IT is a broad professional category covering functions including building communication networks, safeguarding data and information, and troubleshooting computer problems. Pero minsan, kami ang taga-ayos ng mga sirang washing machine, aircon, electric fan, cellphone at iba pang mga appliances sa bahay. BSIT is a relatively difficult course. It requires a lot of abstract thinking, logical and critical thinking, which are not innate for most people. If the BSIT course is really hard, then why did we choose BSIT?
Well, I chose BSIT because it's fun and I like to explore the world of programming, and I'm interested in how apps and websites are created from scratch.
Kasi nalamig sa computer lang, tapos nalapit sa nursing.
I choose BSIT because I'm interested in technology stuff.
Minsan, hindi lang kami nakatutok sa mga computer namin buong school year. Some organizations in the Bicol University held a lot of events in the campus na talaga naman nag-e-enjoy ang mga uncle at auntie ng mga BSIT.
Also, my experience ko sa IT student was fun, hard, but all in all, it was an enjoying moment in my childhood.
Code lang ng code, tapos kapag hindi mo alam kung paano isolve yung algorithm, i-search mo lang sa internet.
Ang goal ko as a student is makapag-create ng mga scripts na to make my study thrilling and fun.
My goal as a student is to finish my studies. That's all.
Siyempre, makapaglapos ang studies.
Those aspiring to take BSIT in Bicol University College of Science, follow your heart and chase your dream. You can be the person you always wanted to be. You are always welcome in the College of Science here in Bicol University. Muli, lagi nating iangat ang agham at teknolohiya. Congrats!